Good morning, students. We will continue this topic probability. In this, some questions we have on the playing cards. So, check these are playing cards here. Here, first row, there are 13 cards we have, and 13 cards you can check. First card is called S. First card is called S card. Then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10. Then Jack, Queen and King card. These are 13 card we have. Look here, this first type, these cards are called the clubs cards. So we have first type, this is a club cards. Second we have, second row is a of spade card. Then we have heart cards. And then the fourth row we have, this is a diamond cards. All of you understand? So these are total cards will be 13 4 52. Total cards will be 52. Okay. And how many total S cards are? Total S cards are 4. This first is the S of club card. Second is S of spade. And third is S of heart, and fourth is S of diamond. All of you understand this? Next we have Jack. This is Jack of club card, is Jack of spade card, Jack of heart card, and Jack of diamond card. Similarly we have Queen of club card, Queen of spade card, Queen of heart card and Queen of diamond card. And King, here look here, King of club card, King of spade card and King of heart card and King of diamond card. So all of you understand this is the card we have. And look here, if anyone say how many Jack cards are 4. How many Queen cards, that is are also 4. How many king cards are we have? Okay, look here, these you can check, these cards we have, these are known as black card. These are known as black card, and other remaining we have, these are also known as a red card. So how many total black cards are? 13 into 2 is 26 are black card and 26 are red card. Okay, next we will have the face card. How many face card are here? So look here, these you can check, these all are face card. These all are face card. Face cards are total 12. These are face card. We will say face card. Okay, now next, even anyone say how many black face cards? So black face cards are these only 6. And how many are red face cards? That are also 6. All of you understand these? So and anyone say how many face cards of clubs? That is 3. Spade face card, that is 3. Okay, so these 3 we have. So you have to understand this card system. The 26 and 26 total 52 cards we have. So if you have any question, you will have total cards will be 52. Okay, king, queen, jack are called face cards. There are total 12 face cards. From these, 6 are red face card and 6 are black face cards. We have total 52 playing cards. From that, black cards are 26, red are 26, spade is 13, club is 13, heart is 13, diamond is 13. All of you understand? And S we have, then we have up to 10 on jack, queen, king and queen. And this similar for club we have S 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, jack, king and queen. Similarly we have for heart and diamonds. So look here, these are face card. How many face cards we have? Total 12. And red face card we have 6, black face card we have 6, spade face card is 3, and club face card is 3. Then we have heart face card is 3, then diamond face card is also 3, and S, total S are 4, and black S are 2, red S are 2. So look here, on these many questions we will have. So you can understand this chart and you can do any. Understand this question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting of first a king of red color. Second question is a face card. Third question is a red face card. Fourth is the jack of heart. Then fifth is a spade, the queen of diamond. So total number of cards is 52. Look here, cards that are king of red color we have 2. So probability of king of red color will be 2 upon 52, that is 1 upon 26. That cards that are face cards are total 12. So probability of that the one card is drawn, that is face card, is 12 upon 52, that you can write 3 upon 13. Next, third question is card that red face card are 6. So we have here probability that a red face card is 6 upon 52, that is 3 upon 26. Card that a jack of heart is only 1. Now probability that a jack of heart is 1 upon 52 we have. Next question, card that spades cards are 13. Probability that a spade card is 13 upon 52, that is 1 upon 4. Card queen of diamond, we have only one queen of diamond. So probability of getting the queen of diamond is 1 upon 52. All understand this? This is very. This question is 5 cards. The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamond are well shuffled with their face downward. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? If the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card pick up is an ace card? And second question is the B, that is the queen. So 5 cards we have 10, jack, queen and king and ace. These are total number of cards are 5 and the number of queens card is only 1. So probability of queen will be 1 upon 5. After the queen has been drawn and put aside, total number of cards will be 5 minus 1 is 4. And there are 5 cards, include 1 ace and no queen. We have here 1 ace and no queen. So probability of an ace card will be 1 upon 4 and probability of queen will be 0 upon 4, but it is equal to 0 only. So all of you understand this? This is a look here. Here this one question is given to you. Dice, 2 dice are thrown and you will get different conditions that you can check here. Now here the sum on 2 dice are given to you, the first row, and the second row is probability, means you have to find the probability that the sum is 2 is given to you. You can check here also, one case only we have for that, that is a 1 sum is 2. We have one case, so we have probability is 1 upon 36. So students argue that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore each of them has a probability 1 upon 11. Do you agree with the assigned? So look here, probability that sum on 2 dice is 2 is we have only one case, 1. So probability of getting sum 2 is 1 upon 36. Even sum on 2 dice is 3. We have 2 case here, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So probability of getting sum is 3 is equal to 2 upon 36 we have. All you understand? Now events sum on 2 dice are 4. We have here 3 case, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1. So probability of getting sum is 4 is here 3 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice is equal to 5. We have here 4 case, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Sorry, 4, 1. So here 4 case we have. So probability of getting sum 5 is 4 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice are 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2 and 5, 1. So probability of getting sum 6 is 5 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice equal to 7. So here we have total 6 case: 1 6, 2 5, 3 4, 4 3, 5 2 and 6 1. So probability of getting sum 7 is 6 by 36 we have. Next question, here the sum events sum on 2 dice is 8. Here we have 5 case: 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3 and 6 2. So probability of getting sum 8 equal to 5 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice equal to 9 are. Here we have 4 case: 3 6, 4 5, 5 4 and 6 3. So probability getting sum equal to 9 equal to 4 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice equal to 10. These are we have 3 case: 4 6, 5 5 and 6 4. So probability the getting sum is 10 equal to 3 by 36. Events sum on 2 dice equal to 11 are 5 6 and 6 5. So probability of getting sum 11 is 2 by 36. So all of you understand this? This is a very simple. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. Throwing a dice twice and throwing 2 dice simultaneously are treated as the same experiment. So a die is thrown twice. The total number of possible outcomes are 36. The total number of possible outcomes is 36. Okay. Out of these 36 outcome, 5 comes at least once. Okay, so we have here these case: 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5, 6 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 and 5 6. Total number of these cases are 11. Number of case when 5 will not come up either time, this will be 36 minus 11, that is 25. So probability that 5 will not come up either time is 25 by 36. Second question is that 5 will come up at least once. We have already 11. So 11 by 36 the answer. All of you understand this? A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same results: 3 heads or 3 tails, and lose otherwise. Calculate probability that Hanif will lose the game. Look here, coin is tossed 3 times. We have total here 8 different case we can get. We can get 3 head, head tail, head tail head, tail head, tail head, tail head tail, head tail and tail tail. Okay, so these we have total 8 case. Number of case when all the tosses give the same result, we have 2 case: 3 head or 3 tail, that is 2 case. It is given that Hanif wins when all the tosses give the same result. Same result means we have 2 case, and Hanif will lose the game when we have 8 minus 2 means 6 case Hanif will lose. So probability that Hanif will lose is 6 by 8 means 3 by 4. So all of you understand this? Thank you and have a nice day.